decayed before their eyes.
Judge with truth and righteousness,
And their boast in wickedness